this is the next 10-day block, the second 10-day block. 教室一零，同人之前 one arm sprout six hands, it cannot fit itself, none find any use in this, profit abandon us. So when we see profit, most likely it may mean economy, it may mean the market, right? So whatever, it could be crypto, it could be shares, it could be stocks. So if you are into those financial thing, so do take note of this 10-day block. I mean the second 10-day block. 同人之前 In addition to the day-to-day one, this is what I see. Claim. Okay, when I say claim, basically means different parties putting claim of ownership onto something, right? So for example, maybe like Taiwan, the Taiwan issue, China claim is theirs, okay, but other countries claim that it's not China's one, okay. Taiwan is an independent country, something like that. Or 钓鱼岛, the Spratly Island, many countries are claiming ownership of the island, this is called claim. Okay, so it may mean in this 10-day block, the second 10-day block from 16 August to 25th August, there will be issues of people claiming that this is not other people's one, but it belong to them, things like that, and therefore a tussle, song may come out. Song means argument or conflict. Okay, so next, downfall. I see downfall again. Previous 10 days, there's a downfall. So this 10 days, second block of 10 days, again, there's a downfall energy signature. And next, oppression. Oppression means, it could be like red like that. Previous 10 days, as I mentioned about red. Here, slightly different, but oppression, but it could be in the same pattern. It's just like 欺负弱小啦. Very messy. I think this next 2 months is pretty very messy, right? Okay, market down lah, people losing office lah, oppression lah, and then claim their own rights and things like that.